Hello my dear brothers and sisters, welcome to our Vidya Madir channel. Today we are going to Unit 13 Organic Nitrogen Compound. Organic nitrogen compounds. Plus 2, volume 2, page number 218. That is 218. Today we are discuss about diazonium salts. Diazonium salts. Like learning object. First, number 1, introduction. Second, resonance structure. Third one, preparation. Preparation of diazonium salt. Fourth one, physical properties. Fifth one, chemical properties. Fifth one, chemical properties. Let us consider subtopic one by one. First of all, go to introduction. Diazonium salts. Di means 2, that is 2 nitrogen di. Azonium, azo, N triple bond N. Nium means positive, that is plus. So, diazonium salt N triple bond N plus. General instruction, diazonium. Example, positive, benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Another one example, positive charge. In this part, toluene. So, attaches CH3. So, para-toluene. Para-toluene diazonium bromide. So, para-toluene diazonium bromide. The next go to resonance structure. In this resonance structure, positive charge over the benzene ring. N triple bond N. This is a positive charge. In this positive charge over the benzene ring get resonance. To give reverse, one of the hydrogen bond shifted towards nitrogen to give. The structure become positive nitrogen, single bond become changed into double bond, negative charge, one of the lone pair, another one of the lone pair positive, as it is 1 2 get resonance. This one of the hydrogen bond shifted towards the structure positive, one of the hydrogen bond shifted 1 2 2 3 4 positive negative get resonance to give positive hydrogen bond shifted 1 2 double bond N double bond N positive charge 1 2 3 4 negative. To give reverse shifted 1 again 2 become original state. And double bond become changed to triple bond, positive charge 1 2 3. To compare the all structure kuda, this is a 1, next 2 3 4 and 5, all 5 structure resonance positive charge over the benzene ring, positive charge, that is resonance structure. The next go to preparation of diazonium salt. Preparation of diazonium salts. First of all, to prepare nitrous acid, sodium nitrite NaNO2 followed by HCl to gives. Here H plus Cl minus, Na plus NO2 minus, H plus to approach NO2 minus, HNO2 nitrous acid, Na plus Cl minus plus NaCl, sodium chloride. The next nitrous acid, step 1. Step 2, aromatic amine C6H5NH2 aniline, aniline followed by nitrous acid O double bond NOH, nitrous acid in the presence of H plus, sorry, in the presence of HCl. Removal of water, 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen water. The next 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen water, remaining C6H5N double bond NCl, C6H5N double bond NCl plus 2H2O. This is benzene diazonium chloride, benzene C6H5 di 2 nitrogen neum positive charge chloride. This is C6H5 N2 plus and Cl minus kuda. Benzene diazonium chloride. So, once again the preparation of benzene diazonium chloride, first to prepare nitrous acid HNO2 by using sodium nitrite. Second one, aromatic amine like aniline. Aniline react with nitrous acid in the presence of HCl, 2 moles water replace, that is 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen, removal of water, 2 hydrogen 1 oxygen, removal of water, remaining the product C6H5N double bond N Cl, that is benzene diazonium chloride. Next go to physical properties of diazonium salts. Physical properties. First point number 1, C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, colorless, crystalline solid. First number 1. Second number 2, it is soluble in water. It is soluble in water. Second one. Third one, aqueous solution. Aqueous solution of salt become a neutral. Aqueous solution of salt become a neutral. In this solution become act as a good conductor. In this solution become act as a good conductor. So, presence of ion is confirmed. Presence of ion is confirmed. Fourth one, C6H5N2BF4, benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, soluble in water. Benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, it is soluble in water at room temperature. At room temperature become stable. So, once again, physical properties, first appearance, colorless, crystalline solid. Second, based on solubility, it is soluble in water. Third physical properties, presence of ion is confirmed because of good conductor. Fourth one, compound, benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, it is soluble in water, at room temperature become a stable. There are 4 physical properties. Next go to chemical properties. In this chemical properties, there are 2 categories. First, number 1, replacement reaction of loss of nitrogen. Second, number 2, coupling reaction. First, number 1, replacement of reaction of loss of nitrogen. Second one, coupling reaction. Let us consider first one, replacement of reaction of loss of nitrogen. replacement by hydrogen, replacement by hydrogen. Take benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride followed by H3PO2, phosphoric acid. In the presence of water, that is CuCl, cuprous ion, one more, cuprous ion. The product C6H6 benzene plus H3PO3 plus N2 gas plus HCl. Second one C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride followed by C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. The product C6H6 benzene plus acetaldehyde plus N2 plus HCl, that is N2 gases, hydrogen combines with chlorine HCl, C6H6 benzene group. Replacement by hydrogen, so based on 1 mark. So 1 mark, first number 1 Cu plus cuprous ion, Cu plus. Second one, in this mechanism become a free radical chain mechanism. Free radical chain mechanism. Replacement by hydrogen, two possible 1 mark question. First number 1 Cu plus cuprous ion. Second one, in these types of reaction become a free radical chain mechanism, 1 more question. The next go to very important reaction, Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reagent number 1 Cu2Cl2 bar HCl, cuprous chloride. Second number 2 Cu2Br2 bar HBr, cuprous bromide. Third one CuCN bar KCN, potassium cyanide. Let us consider the reaction. First number 1, freshly prepare benzene diazonium chloride, C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride react with Cu2Cl2 bar HCl. The product N2 become gases. The remaining C6H5Cl plus N2. This is named as chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Second one C6H5N2Cl. Take benzene diazonium chloride plus Cu2Br2 bar HBr to give save N2 gases, HCl replace, bromine is attacked. The product C6H5Br plus N2 named as bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. Third one, take benzene diazonium chloride plus CuCN, CuCN plus minus benzene diazonium chloride, N2 gases, CuCl replace, remaining C6H5Cn plus N2, named as cyanobenzene. One of the conversion. How to convert it to benzene diazonium chloride, convert it to chlorobenzene, benzene diazonium chlorides converted to bromobenzene, benzene diazonium chlorides converted to cyanobenzene by using Sandmeyer reaction. The next go to Gattermann. Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction. Copper powder plus HCl and copper powder plus HBr reagent. Take benzene diazonium chloride, followed by copper powder and HCl, N2 gases. The product become C6H5Cl plus N2 chlorobenzene. Second one C6H5N2Cl plus minus, followed by Cu bar HBr, N2 gases, HCl replace, the remaining C6H5Br plus N2. This is chlorobenzene. This is bromobenzene. Chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. It's a Gattermann reaction. In this reaction cannot be prepared the iodobenzene. One more, iodobenzene, that is C6H5I. Only Gattermann reaction can be prepared chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. It's not a iodobenzene. Very, very important. One more question. Replacement by iodine. Replacement by iodine. Take C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, react with potassium iodide on heating, K plus I minus, K plus attack Cl minus KCl plus N2 gaseous state, C6H5 plus to attack I minus, C6H5I is named as iodobenzene. Iodobenzene. Next one, replacement. Replacement by fluorine. Next reaction, replacement by fluorine. Take C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, followed by HBF4, fluoroboric acid. First one, removal of HCl. HCl replace, the remaining product C6H5N2BF4, that is H5 N2BF4 benzene diazonium fluoroborate precipitate is obtained. First number 1 intermediate, followed by on heating BF4 to splitted fluorine and BF3 boron trifluoride N2 gases BF3 remaining C6H5F fluorobenzene. So intermediate benzene diazonium fluoroborate. One more question, intermediate. The next go to replacement by hydroxyl group. Replacement by hydroxyl group. Take benzene diazonium chloride, followed by hydrolysis. On heating, water to splitted H plus and OH minus. In this H plus to approach Cl, HCl. N2 gaseous state. Remaining C6H5 plus OH minus. That is C6H5OH. It's named as phenol. One of the important conversion. How will it convert to benzene diazonium chloride converted to phenol? That is replacement by hydroxyl group. The next go to replacement by nitro group. Take C6H5N2Cl benzene diazonium chloride followed by HBF4 fluoroboric acid. First step HCl, removal of HCl. The remaining product C6H5N2BF4 benzene diazonium fluoroborate. On heating, followed by NaNO2 splitted Na plus NO2 minus. In this NO2 to attack C6H5. So C6H5NO2 plus N2 gas plus that is NaBF4. This is named as nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene. The next go to replacement by carboxylic acid group. Very important one. Or famous conversion. Aliphatic acid become changed to aromatic acid. Aliphatic acid can change into aromatic acid. Aromatic acid. Take C6H5N2BF4 benzene diazonium fluoroborate react with acetic acid CH3COOH, acetic acid, C6H5 to attack acids kuda, that is C6H5COOH, remaining PF4 to splitter F BF3, the next F kuda, CH3 plus and F minus, so CH3F, CH3F, N2 gas, remaining boron trifluoride, that is BF3. So, aliphatic acid, acetic acid is converted to C6H5COOH is named as benzoic acid. Next go to reduction to hydrazine. Reducing agent, first number 1 SnCl2 bar HCl, second number 2 zinc dust bar acetic acid, third one Na2SO3 sodium sulfite, 3 reducing agent, C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, it reduced in the presence of SnCl2 bar HCl, the product C6H5NH2, this named as phenyl hydrazine. Next reaction, replacement by aryl group, N double bond NCl, benzene diazonium chloride, react with benzene, in the presence of NaOH, basic medium NaOH. So, first step 1 remove of HCl, step 2 N plus N minus, N2 gases, step 1 remove of HCl, second step 2 N2 gases, the remaining product byproduct N2 plus HCl, this is named as biphenyl. In these types of reaction, Gerber-Bachmann reaction, in these reactions based on free radical mechanism, not a SN. It's a very famous one more question. Replacement by aryl group, take the benzene diazonium chloride, react with benzene in the presence of NaOH. One more question, NaOH, the product biphenyl. In these types of reaction, free radical mechanism, not a SN. One more. Next go to coupling reaction. Coupling means join, coupling. Benzene diazonium chloride, electron rich species like phenol, C6H5 OH, one of the lone pair of electron. Phenol, like aniline, C6H5NH2, lone pair of electron. Electron rich species to form azo compound. In these types of reaction is known as coupling reaction and certain condition. Okay. Reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Reaction become electrophilic substitution reaction. Third one, when electrophile to attack para position. Electrophile to attack the para position. Suppose para position to occupy when electrophile to attack ortho position. Okay. Example. Benzene diazonium chloride react with phenol. Phenol, pH range 9 to 10, basic medium, because of phenol slightly acidic character. So, pH range 9 to 10, temperature 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. Removal of HCl. The product become N double bond N OH is named as para position hydroxy. So, para hydroxy N double bond N azo, para hydroxy azo benzene. It's a red orange dye. So, para position hydroxy. So, para hydroxy N double bond N azo benzene, red orange dye. This is also test for phenol. Test for phenol. First, number 1, dye test. Second, number 2, take benzene diazonium chloride. React with aniline. Aniline, pH range 4 to 5, because of aniline basic medium. So, acidic, that is pH range 4 to 5, the temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. Removal of HCl, the product N double bond N NH2 Hg. So, para position amino. So, para amino N double bond N azo benzene, para amino azo benzene, yellow dye. Suppose para position to occupy any one of the group when electrophile to attack ortho position. Next reaction go to N double bond NCl, benzene diazonium chloride. Paracresol, pH range 9 to 10 pH range, temperature 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. So, already para position to occupy. So, ortho position is attacked. So, H plus Cl minus replace. So, in this electrophile to attack ortho position, the product OH CH3 N double bond N C6 H5. This named as 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position phenyl group. So, 2 azo phenyl, 2 second position N double bond N azo phenyl, fourth position methyl, 2 azo phenyl, 4 methyl phenol. One second, repeat. Benzene diazonium chloride, N double bond NCl, benzene diazonium chloride, paracresol, pH range 9 to 10, 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. So, reaction become electrophilic substitution reaction. Already electrophile ortho position, this is a para position. So, para position occupied. So, in this electrophile to attack the ortho position, the product OH N double bond N C6 H5 H3C. Name 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position N double bond N, 2 azo is attached phenyl group. So, 2 azo phenyl, fourth position methyl, 4 methyl, this compound become phenol. So, 2 azo phenyl, 4 methyl phenol. One more question. The next go to overall reaction C6 H5 N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, H3PO2 plus H2O, the product C6H6 benzene plus H3PO3 N2 plus HCl. Second one CH3 CH2 OH ethyl alcohol, the product C6H6 benzene plus CH3CHO acetaldehyde plus N2 plus HCl reaction. Third one Ce2Br2 bar HBr, product C6H by Br bromobenzene, Cu2Cl bar HCl, C6H by Cl, chlorobenzene. Both are is undergoes Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. The next copper powder followed by HCl, C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene. Copper powder followed by HBr, C6H by Br, bromobenzene. So both are is undergoes Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction. Ki, potassium iodide, C6H5I, iodobenzene, HBF4, fluoroboric acid. The final product C6H5F, fluorobenzene, HBF4 followed by NaNO2. The final product C6H5NO2, nitrobenzene, C6H6 benzene. The product biphenyl, HBF4 followed by acetic acid, acetic acid. The product C6H5COOH, benzoic acid. C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride followed by SnCl2 bar HCl, C6H5NH2, phenyl hydrazine reduction, C6H5OH phenol. The product para hydroxy azobenzene, benzene diazonium chloride followed by C6H5NH2 aniline. The product para amino azobenzene, paracresol, the product 2-azophenyl, 4-methyl phenol. Last 1, 2, 3 coupling reaction. Okay, this is a chemical properties of benzene diazonium chloride overall. Next go to conclusion. Today we are discuss about preparation. First introductions of benzene diazonium chloride, the next go to resonance structure, the next preparation of benzene diazonium chloride, next go to physical properties, appearance, solubility, presence of ions, etc. The next go to chemical properties. So chemical properties reaction, there are two types of chemical properties, like first one replacement by loss of nitrogen, second one coupling reaction. Coupling reactions like phenol, aniline and paracresols, coupling reaction. So many of the benzene diazonium chloride become act as a digest. digest. So, important reactions like the Sandmeyer-Gattermann. So, Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann reaction. Thank you.